A family is fighting for custody of their beloved pet and emotional support animal, Lucy the pig. After 311 calls came in about her, the New York City Health Department is threatening to take her away because they say it's illegal to have a pet pig in the 5 boroughs. Kristie Keleshian has more.
I can't stop.
If love, kisses, and even tears alone could keep Lucy the pig alive, she'd live forever. But at 15 years old, the now senior emotional support pet owned by the Ganone family spends these days on a series of meds, resting on the couch.
I take care of my grandchildren. I got to pick them up from school, take them to school, and then I got to take care of her. It's a lot of stress.
And to add to that stress, the pig was the subject of an anonymous 311 complaint earlier this month, saying they've been illegally keeping her as a pet. Shortly after, a rep from the city health department knocked on their door.
She said, they're not allowed in New York City. You're violating the law. And I said, oh, I didn't know. I'm confused. So I said, you know. She says, well, we're going to have to get back to you.
In a statement, the City Department of Health says in part, quote, in New York City, keeping a pig as a pet has been prohibited for at least 25 years. And for good reason. Pigs need outside space and companionship of other pigs to thrive. They can become aggressive towards people. And that there's no USDA-approved rabies vaccine for pigs. The Health Department says no violations have been issued. And a City Hall spokesperson says they're working on a solution that involves getting Lucy moved to the Ganone's house upstate, which the family says is under a lot of construction.
There's no benefit to remove this animal from the community.
In the past week, nearly 9,000 people have signed an online petition for the family to keep the docile pig that's also gotten support from lawmakers like Congresswoman Nicole Malliotakis. Family friend Caitlin Grotto made her usual visit to Lucy with her 1- and 4-year-old kids.
She was raised around us, so any other environment is not going to be fit for her. No threat to anyone, this darling pig.
And with the support from local lawmakers, the Ganones also plan on meeting with them as soon as this weekend. In Tottenville, Staten Island, Kristie Keleshian, CBS News, New York.